Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking instability. Plug the laptop into AC power and confirm the battery is healthy so recovery won't abort. Next, copy your personal files to an external drive or cloud. Once done, you'll remove risk of permanent data loss. Then create a USB recovery drive or download the official recovery image from the manufacturer on another machine. Finally, reboot and enter BIOS or UEFI to set USB as the first boot device, so the recovery media will load. You'll now run the recovery environment that came on the USB. First, select the repair path. A system restore if available, reset keeping files for a fast fix, or a full clean install for deeper problems. If you need details, open command prompt to run chkdsk on the drive and sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. Follow on-screen prompts and accept any recommended updates. Make sure to watch progress and avoid powering down until the tool completes its operations. You finish by rebooting into the restored system, then immediately install chipset and device drivers from the manufacturer so hardware behaves correctly. Once done, run Windows Update and reconnect peripherals to verify Wi-Fi and battery behavior. Restore your personal files from the backup you made earlier. If something still goes wrong, try booting into safe mode to uninstall problematic drivers or apps as a single fallback. Use the bootable USB to perform a clean reinstall of the operating system and start fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.